Jerome P. Milan, WVSU Lambunao Campus Student Leadership Awardee. Best Research, Campus Hero Awardee with 8,000 pesos. Service Awardee, Officer of Society of English Major. Service Awardee, Officer of the Cultural Affairs Office. And Service Awardee as the Council Chairman of the Supreme Student Council Academic Year 2024 to 2025. Rishan A. Mokati, Service Awardee, The Crest.
Damo-damo.
Now,
Sila ka naman